Wow!
Hello boys, I'm going to make a quick video. This video is for him, for my friend Andres Arredondo, and for others to have better idea about typography and colors. Right now I'm making this animation and I don't like the colors and the typography in here. This is an animation made in After Effects, of course, and my friend has a doubt about what letters to use, what typography, what colors in the background are the best, and how to get attention. Okay, first of all, I personally don't like this typography. I don't like this welcome to YouTube channel. I don't like the colors because this color is red, the outline. And if you go to the power of colors, red represents violence and power and danger and all that, but I think that red is not good in here because you can see the other colors are more warm. This is very important for you to know. The colors have power and have some kind of like a meaning. So if you're using these colors are named cool because this is for when you are at night, and warm is when you are with a lot of energy. I was in YouTube and I saw this. Just look at this. Just look at those colors in honest trailers. You can see that guy that is eating something. Just look at his hair. His hair is like red and orange because he is a very energetic character and his colors are warm. And what is this? What is I don't know, orange? Abundance, warm, determination, success, like that character. And he's red because he's a leader and he's willpower and he's violence and fire. So if you want to make a character that is more calm, you have to use blue and you have to use violet because those colors are cooler, are like more calmer. So he say what typography I must use. There are two types, is sans serif and sans. This is sans serif. Sans serif, sans, it means that it doesn't have. That's what I understand. This is sans because of these things in here. All typography has a meaning, like Helvetica is for this, and Time Romance is for this, and this is for that. So the only way for you to have all this is to see a lot of already created typography like this. So you must see like, oh, I like the typography, the power, what it means, the colors. In color theory, there's something called the complementary colors. The complementary. I cannot explain you everything because it's a lot of theory. You have to investigate in internet and just look for complementary colors. Complementary colors are colors that are very good when they are together. Black and yellow like this, or red with like blue, or just look at this. It looks nice. This is what you must do. You only need to look for reference, and if your eye likes that composition, that means that you are in the correct way. I'm making this design, but if you see my design, red doesn't fit with the background because I don't know, it doesn't fit. It looks very weird. Red with yellow and blue and green. So you must find a color that fits that composition, and for that you must do tests. I'm going to look for that typography in here. This is a menu for the effects. The only thing I have to do is look for a color that fits this background. So I'm going to select it and just start to move things a little. Just look at this. This yellow is not bad because I have this yellow outline. So this blue doesn't look bad. Just look at the difference. You see the harmony of the colors. Now it looks better. Our eye and everyone's eyes have some kind of detection of composition of color and something that fits correctly in that place. So that means that if your eye is okay, that means that everyone else's eyes is okay. You have to be very critic with your own work, and always ask other people about your work if they like it. And if you don't like something, if you are like, I don't like that, you feel like something is wrong, you must change it, okay? Because once you upload it to the internet, it's over. You have to make again the file, upload it again, and no. Before you do all that, just think, okay, if the work is okay, I'm fine with it. Can I make something better? No? Okay. Then continue. It's not like, I finished, I'm going to upload it. No, wait. Take some time to rest, go outside, and come back tomorrow if you need to, and see the final work, and just look if everything is fine. And if not, just change it. Okay. Press start. I like this press start. What I don't like in this is that the black in the background, I don't know. I can just use this. I was messing with this effect, simple shocker. I can like do a lot of things. I really want an outline. That's what I was looking for, like an outline.
Outlines, this is how to do it, and you just want the outlines, this is how to do it in Adobe After Effects. T for the text tool, just click on your composition. I'm just going to left for the align panel, and here at that indicate, just click on the double arrow, and once you do that, you will see now you have no. Click on the double arrow, and once you do that, you will see now you have no.
That's it. Now it's much better. The composition, the colors. So if you, the only thing in here you have to be aware is that it's very easy. Just use colors that complement with each other like this. Okay, if you have like a background that is green, orange and blue are perfect complementaries. I love this combination. So you can have a background that is blue and text with orange, and this is a lot of there's a lot of combinations. Never ever mix yellow with white, black with a very dark color. You will not see the text. It must be like a very nice contrast. This is a very nice contrast. Just look at this. It's always the same, red and green, yellow and violet, orange and blue, always. It's like a mandatory obligation to have these kinds of things. How do you maintain your focus on something? My experience is that if you want to keep your public's attention, change things a little bit when you are explaining something. You must like add some meme or some effects, or change angle of the camera, because if you always maintain the same like this, the same posture and the same camera and the same zoom and all that, the brain can get bored. Like because the brain likes movements. Okay, the brain likes. If you are in a party and you are with someone that is like this, calm, like someone that doesn't talk, and someone that is energetic and dances and he's very happy, who do you prefer to talk to? To the one that is like this, all bored, or with the most energetic? Everyone will select the energetic, because the brain likes energy. Our brain loves movement and joy and happiness and energy. So if you see a video that someone is like this, explaining like this, like a zombie, the brain will get bored. you must have like a common sense on how to entertain someone's brain. That's it. If you are talking to someone and he starts to look to other places, and to yawn and to watch his watch, you are losing him. You are losing his interest in you, the focus. It's not easy. You have to know a lot of psychology, a lot of anthropology, and make a lot of stuff in YouTube. You have to make a lot of stuff. Doesn't matter if it's not perfect. You must just do it. And I will, and I'm so sure that you will have a lot of progress. Right now, I'm sure your brain is bored because I have talked a lot and I cannot move this camera. But what if I start to do, just look, if I start to show you everything I'm making, your brain will be like reactivate. So let's go to this. This is the animation I'm making from zero by copying an intro from a game. I'm making animation, I'm mixing animation, music, composition, colors, a lot of things. It's so fun. I'm making a lot of progress in this because I just found the key to success. The key to success is to lose the fear of success or failure and just start doing things, but things that you love. Okay, don't do what your mom and your friends say that I think that you are a very good doctor. No, I don't like blood, I hate blood, I don't like doctor, I want to be an artist, I want to be a singer, a dancer. That's what you have to do. If you are making something and your attention is focused and you are happy and excited and time passes so fast, that means that is what you must do. But you must find a way to make money out of that if you can. Or you can have a job, a shitty job that pays the rents and the basic needs to survive, and you can use your free time to make this. I hope this helps you to be a better person, an artist and content creator for YouTube. I'm going to continue making this because it's taking my time to make this, and if you like this, please support me. You know what to do, and let's continue. Bye bye.